United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 292, Prompt Release of Vessels and Crews, 1. Where the authorities of a state party have detained a vessel flying the flag of another state party, and it is alleged that the detaining state has not complied with the provisions of this convention for the prompt release of the vessel, or its crew upon the posting of a reasonable bond, or other financial security, the question of release from detention may be submitted to any court or tribunal agreed upon by the parties or, failing such agreement within 10 days from the time of detention, to a court or tribunal accepted by the detaining state under Article 287, or to the International Tribunal for the Law of the Sea, unless the parties otherwise agree. 2. The application for release may be made only by or on behalf of the flag state of the vessel. 3. The court or tribunal shall deal without delay with the application for release and shall deal only with the question of release, without prejudice to the merits of any case, before the appropriate domestic forum against the vessel, its owner or its crew. The authorities of the detaining state remain competent to release the vessel or its crew at any time. 4. Upon the posting of the bond or other financial security determined by the court or tribunal, the authorities of the detaining state shall comply promptly with the decision of the court or tribunal concerning the release of the vessel or its crew.